Hey everyone, welcome back to another Halloween video. Today I have made this bucket list mini book for Halloween. This mini book you can just add this to your own collection, or it makes a great gift for your kids or your grandkids because it's got a cute vibe throughout the mini book with cute illustrations and cute fussy cuts. So for the assembly, I'm just going to fold along all these lines so that they make these pages, and whatever the page that you see, the similar two pages, that will be the front page and the back page. Just making sure that you keep these pages separate. You can just start folding all the pages. I'm folding them along the lines first, and then later while gluing them together I will glue them in accordion style. So now that I have folded all the pages, now I am going to start with the front page. So the first page will be the back page, and after folding it in accordion style I am gluing those two pages together. So now that I've folded them in accordion style and glued the end page of that one, and I'll just glue it with another starting page like so. You can order them in whichever way you want, but making sure that the last page is the bat garland kind of a page. You can just mix match the other pages together. Again, just folding them in accordion style and gluing them together. I'm just going to make these pages for the mini book. Now it's all almost done, so this is going to be the last page. Let's add this to the main cover. I'm just folding along the lines again. So the main pages I've printed them on 100 GSM papers, and this cover I have printed it on cardstock. I believe it's almost 140 GSM. If you wish to add cardboard between, you can do so that it's a bit more sturdy for the cover. I have already printed it on cardstock, so I'm just going to directly add the pages to the cover. Before that, I'm just gluing all those edges. The cover is ready. I'm just going to glue both the edges of the paper to the main cover. I've added little pockets and little tickets for decorating the journal. You can add them to the front and the back of the cover. And the rest of the fussy cuts, you can also add them to the book, or you can just use them separately. Here is the final reveal of the Halloween bucket list. This cute little mini book, it makes a great addition to your Halloween collection. And again, you can, as I mentioned before, you can gift it as a cute little mini book to your kids or grandkids also. The link to this mini book is available in the description. You can just get it from the Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope you will enjoy making this mini book. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.